Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted object from your photo using Inshot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Inshot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project right here on the photo menu. Okay, I'm gonna select new, and you can choose a photo you want to remove the unwanted object from. And wait guys, I'm going to choose a photo from my pictures album or pictures folder. Okay, this one. And wait, I'm still searching for my photo. Wait guys. Okay, for example, I'm going to remove object from this photo. Okay, I'm gonna remove this object guys. I don't know what it is called, but I'm gonna remove it from my photo. Okay, we can go to the PIP, and then we need to import the same photo like this, and you can zoom in to fit the screen, and we're going to use mask to remove the unwanted object. You can go to the mask and then select the shape of the mask, and I'm gonna choose the rectangle mask. Okay, then adjust the size and the position as well. And to remove the unwanted object, we're going to take another part of this photo to cover the object. I'm gonna take this part. I think this part will be suitable to cover it like this guys, and we're going to drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. You can zoom in or zoom out like this, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and I'm going to zoom in again. Okay, perfect. And to make it more natural, you can adjust the lightness. Wait, I'm going to, oops, sorry guys. I'm gonna go to the adjust right here, and I'm going to adjust the lightness just a little bit. Okay, enough. And I think it looks better than before. Okay, now it's done guys, and this is the final result. And if you want to save the photo, you just need to click on export, and the photo will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove unwanted object from our photo using Inshot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.